Greetings fellow pagan pals, Bellarosa here, and today we're making an IMBOLC wreath to celebrate the promise of spring. This idea comes from Carol Powell, so thank you. I have a crafting wood plank here and burlap with lace. Use hot glue adhesive to attach the burlap to the wood, leaving a few inches on either side to wrap the fabric to the back and finish gluing it down. Now, I always wanted to use these painted letters and I finally picked them up. They're already prepared and ready to go. Just lay out your design and glue them down. They're great if you're looking for a quick project. Just make sure that your board is large enough to hold your letters. The board I'm using is about 12 by 5.5 inches, and the letters are popping out from the sides slightly, but it still looks good. I'm using a wreath made out of twigs, and I'm going to attach some florals all around it, but first I'm attaching 4 votive candle holders to house my LED candles, a symbol of light, of Bridget, of new beginnings coming our way. I first hot glued the candle holder down to hold it in place, and then I tied it down tightly with white ribbon to show that we're still wrapped in the arms of winter, but will soon break free from it. Use a barbecue skewer to feed the ribbon through the back of the wreath and then double knot it. Your candle holders are secured to the wreath, and for now just leave the excess ribbon there just in case you need to make adjustments. Use hot glue to attach the sign, and since I want it to be tilted, I use the top candle holder to help me eyeball it since that is the top of my wreath. Now that we have our sign attached, it's time to decorate. I have a gorgeous bouquet of white and lavender faux flowers. I use lavender to invite peace into the home, and white as a representation of the snow and those first tiny flowers that will be popping up soon. But there are a ton of other symbols you can incorporate, like the colors red, yellow, and green. If you're raising little pagans, you can have them attach a variety of seed packets to the wreath that they picked out and that they want to sprout in the spring. You can add horns to represent the male energy returning, and sheets of poetry or a Celtic knot to appeal to the goddess Bridget. All in all, this IMBOLC wreath was fast and easy to put together, especially with using ready-made letters. It was definitely a game changer. I love the ambience of the candles and the simple look created with just a touch of white and lavender flowers with some greenery. Subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you next time for another episode of My Pagan Pal Crafts and such. Bye!